Hi Jumpstart friends! Today we are going to be reading Rabbits and Raindrops by Jim Arnowski. This book is about rabbits who have to find shelter during a rain shower while it's raining. You see the mother rabbit and you see her baby rabbits. Can you count how many? Let's count together. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, the mom looks calm, like she's not upset. She's relaxed because her babies have shelter from the rain. Have you guys ever gotten stuck in a rain shower or rainstorm before? Did you get wet? I had before, and I got really wet. And you don't want to stay wet from a rain because you could get sick. And that's why the mother rabbit doesn't want her babies to get wet, because their coats aren't waterproof. Their fur isn't waterproof, and then they might get sick. Okay. Mother rabbit sits by her nest under a hedge at the edge of green lawn. See, there's the mother rabbit. Then the baby rabbits, they're just relaxing. Her 5 babies are ready to climb out of the nest for the first time. Do you guys remember when someone who took care of you, they let you do something for the first time that you really wanted to do? Maybe riding a bike or something. You probably were really excited, right? The baby rabbits are probably feeling very excited right now. Mother rabbit hops out into the bright sunlight, onto the green grass. Look, it's so bright. One after another, the 5 baby rabbits hop out onto the lawn. You see? You can see the first one going, and then the next one's about to go, and they're all lined up to go one by one. Can you see what they're doing? They nibble clover blossoms and leaves. Nibble means to take really tiny bites out of something. And the clover is a plant with 3 small leaves and purple or white flowers. They meet grasshopper. Oh wait, before I say what they meet, do you see any animals you recognize over here other than the rabbits? That's right. They meet grasshoppers, spiders, and bees. So if you don't know what a grasshopper is, it's an insect with strong legs for jumping. You see how this grasshopper is jumping really, really high? This is the grasshopper. And then spiders. A spider is a small animal with 8 legs and 2 body parts that may spin webs. You see its little web over here? The spider, right? Oh my gosh, look what happened. What do you notice that changed in the sky? It's not all sunny anymore. It's sort of dark and everything. Because all of a sudden, the sky turns dark and big, heavy raindrops begin to fall. Do you know what a raindrop is? It's drops of water that fall down from the sky. And look here, what do you notice the rabbits are doing? The mom is looking up at the sky. She looks very concerned. What do you think the little rabbits are feeling? Remember, they're just babies. This might be their first time seeing rain. One raindrop hits one of the babies, the other one looks up to see what's happening. They might be confused. A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. So that means, what does that mean, guys? Are they gonna stay out in the rain? No, that means they have to find shelter somewhere so they don't get wet. And remember, that's what the story is about. Some rabbits who have to find shelter from the rain. A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. Baby rabbits can become soaked, which means very wet, and catch cold. So Mother Rabbit hurries her babies back under the hedge. You know what I would call the Mother Rabbit? Protective. She wants to keep her babies from danger and keep them safe. See the rabbits here? How do you think the mom looks? How do you think she's feeling? I think that right now she's a bit calmer, you know, she's peaceful because they finally found the shelter. From their dry shelter, 5 baby rabbits watch the rain pouring down. Why do you think they're watching the rain? Have you ever seen something new that you've never seen before and you're seeing it for the first time? Didn't that make you curious? Like, want to know more about it? That's probably what's happening with these 5 rabbits, because they never saw rain before and they want to see it now. Look, while they're in shelter, a butterfly flutters in under the hedge and rests on a dry leaf. See the beautiful butterfly? And even now, look, they're all watching the butterfly. And the mom is watching the children. Soon, others come inside out of the rain. It looks like everyone doesn't want to get wet. Am I right? You want to stay nice and dry. Out in the shower, honeybees buzz by, flying between raindrops to stay dry. You see, what do you notice about this rain that's different from the rain before? You see, this is what makes it a shower. It's because it's a short and gentle rain. If you guys go back, we see that the rain is so much heavier. And now it's just a shower, gentle. And suddenly, the shower ends. And the last few raindrops splatter down. You see it splattering on this over here? Look, now that the showers is done, they got to go back. All together, the rabbits hop out onto the lawn. Remember in the beginning of the story when they hopped out one by one? Now they're hopping out all together. They hop out together to taste the wet grass and play rabbit tag in the sun. You see the difference in the sky? It's all sunny and there's a rainbow after it rained. How do you think the rabbits are feeling? I would say that they're very, very happy. The end. So the book had a happy ending. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.